Knight takes the pawn, and I take the bob pawn. You're trying to capture my queen? Not on my watch, buddy. Where am I going? Oh, how about I develop my bishop and I attack another pawn? Why is David drinking this?
Quite
I mean, I
scary.
don't understand. Everywhere the man comes, there is always an empty can. You see this thing over there? They say never leave your woman unprotected or else someone might steal it. Where is the camera? Bring me that camera. Eric? Eric, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Eric, can you bring me this camera, please? Just for the record, never leave your king in the center. Wait, where's the close-up? I wasn't done with this. This was literally Eric. That didn't go according to the plan. I'm gonna introduce you to Uncle Ben. Have you heard of Uncle Ben?
Is he related to Barry?
No. So, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What's your name once again?
Maud.
Maud?
Yeah.
Like moderator?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. Nice to meet you, I'm Dina.
Hi.
You might not know, but Uncle Ben says never play F3. The reason when you do that, you're opening out some space over here. And what happens then? You're gonna suffer. So I personally want to know what happened. What happened? Like, how did all this happen? Like, what happened? Like, you guys literally...
We're so interested in me seeing what's following now because...
You guys literally put the world upside down. Coach Sam. Oh, I got the brilliancy!
Yay!
Okay.
With a queen takes G1, let's go! Dina Belinkaya sees a winning advantage by
hang a minute,
forcing
hang a minute.
brilliant queen. Yeah.
Can we hear it in an English accent properly,
Yes.
please?
Dina Belinkaya sees a winning advantage by forcing a brilliant queen sacrifice with queen to G1, which simplified into a dominant endgame after winning the C2 and the H2 pawns. How was that for a British accent?
Terrible. Is it fair to say? I mean, you're slightly scary, Dina.
Yeah.
As I heard heard people say it before. Are you really just like not scary at all, like a big furry teddy bear? Is it just a persona?
I think I'm the kindest person out there. Queen D3, King E5, Bishop F4, King F6, Queen G4, King takes G4, nothing. Queen F3, King takes E5, nothing. No! Queen F4, checkmate! Your final wish.
Because there are so few women, like each woman experiences way more than in the opposite situation.
Yeah, everybody's like a piece of meat.
Well,
So when's your boxing match going to happen, Dina? Do you have a date set?
As soon... Ah!
This is why you scare me. You're unpredictable.
Oh, my rock!
Getting a compliment from Dina. Have you got any compliments for us now? This is
Yes,
really...
I actually do. You look amazing, honey.
That's...
I love your hairstyle today.
well, thank you.
Your beard is so good.
Okay, thank you. And do you think the life as a professional chess player, is it like, do you think it's a good life?
What do you think, Simon? Is it a good life for a professional chess player? Yeah, drink that.
How old was the zebra when it lost its life?
Well, I don't harm animals. It's pretty much all eco-friendly.
What are your first impressions, firstly, of the app that we're looking at right now?
I thought it was another failure idea, but today,
For everyone at home, we can hear Witty Alien making some very strange sounds from next door.
the reason why it's hard for adults to improve is because they go 10 different ways at a time buying. Where are your shoes? The best book that I would recommend everybody who's asking that question is Everyone's First Chess Workbook.
Okay, so not Levi Rosman Chess for Babies.
That's the most fake thing I've ever seen. When you write a book, you have to have some personal involvement, attachment to it. Levi, I'm so sorry. I actually sent you a challenge to play tennis.
Ooh.
You know I'm training. I've been playing every day. So if you want to take that out to the tennis court, be my guest. On a scale from 1 to 10, what is the chance that I get invited again?
Yeah, that is a tough one. I am not. That's beyond my pay grade. We'll see what the future brings.
Oh shit, I blundered my bishop. Ah!
Was that in the Russian school of chess?
Oh,
Is that in the Russian school of chess, Dina? Dina? Do you teach your students that?
Is Magnus a good or bad loser? Simon, I finally made Dina nervous.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, what's going on? There's another one.
How was life growing up in St. Petersburg?
Cold.
Are you going to pre-move castles?
Wait, why can't I castle?
It's White's move.
Oh my god, sorry.
Dina, what's going on? I leave the room for 5 minutes. You drop a rook at night and you forget how to cast it.
The
Maxim
famous
Matlakov.
British grandmaster Nikita Vitugov,
Yeah.
born and raised in Nottingborough, Edinburgh, Northern Ireland. Fucking hell! I'm out of here.
Everyone, Dina Belenkaya!
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.